right by the bowl. Get the lizard. Get him right there. Right there. Get the lizard. Oh, Ryan, you're so dumb. Look. This is Orion and Bubbles being stupid about a lizard. Get him, kitty. You're just gonna touch him till he moves around? Okay. Get him. Yeah, eat him. Tear his things apart. Get the lizard, you dumb cat. Sitting right in front of you. He still moves. Alright, get the lizard. Get him. Touch him, look. Look, he runs around. Oh, did you get him? He doesn't move anymore. Maybe you got his eye. Maybe that's why he doesn't move anymore.